So today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to create a demo account only using MetaTrader 4, guys. This is a super simple process, and I feel like everybody should know how to do this. If you haven't seen my last video, I showed you how to create a demo account using a broker. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create it using MetaTrader 4, guys. So super easy process. All you got to do is go to MetaTrader 4 app. Now, guys, this process works for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So same thing. You don't have to worry, guys. So right here, we land on the quote screen. You got your chart screen, you got your trade screen. You're going to go all the way. Here's your history. And here's your settings right here. Go all the way to your settings screen right there at the bottom right corner. And at the top, this is my real account. This is my live account. Okay, this is not an actual demo account. So what you want to do is click that right there at the top. And what you want to do is click the plus sign. Here's a list of all my accounts. You want to click the plus sign right here at the top right. So on this screen, this is where you can log into your accounts, or you can just open a demo account only using MetaTrader 4, guys. So let's click open a demo account right there. And here, this is where you can search. You can do your search at the top if you got your broker, or in this case, we're going to use MetaTrader 4 to create a demo account. Make it all simple and easy, okay? So here, you're going to click Meta Quotes, and it's got a little bit more information up there, but guys, don't worry about the information. All that is just basically just your login, your phone number, your email, whatever stuff. You're not ever going to use it because it's all going to be on your app. All right, so anyways, that's complete, that's complete, that's complete. Now you can do Forex USD, you can change it to advanced, or you can change it to Forex Euro, Forex CHF. Guys, what country is CHF? What currency is that? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what currency CHF is. I don't know. But Forex CHF, JPY, OTP, and testing, guys. You got all those currencies. But for this case, we're going to use Forex USD, okay? You can change your leverage right there, which all the options right here. You got 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, all the way up to 100, guys. So I always use the most leverage. I love using most leverage, guys, because that makes trading such a stress-free trade, okay? So anyways, 1 to 100, and then you can change your balance. You go 100K, you go 500K, $1 million. You go all the way up to $500,000 on your account, guys. So anyways, what demo account, you know, is letting you trade with a $5 million, guys? $5 million in a trading account is crazy. But for this instance, guess what we're going to trade with? $5 million. All right, that's a lot of money. So all you got to do from here is click register. Now, once here, this is your login. You'll never need this unless you're probably using multiple different accounts on different devices. Then yeah, maybe. But in this case right here, it's your login and your password, everything you need. Then once you click that, you click done. And you're ready to go. You got your demo account set up and you're ready to go. You can go here, add more currencies. Here's all the list of currencies that I can use right here. Forex, weight, or WT, whatever that means. Let me know in the comment section what that means. Forex, WT, I don't know. But all your currencies, you go to your charts, click trade. We can buy a trade right now. Now the market is closed, so I can't buy a trade. But in the case that I want to buy a trade, there you go. All you gotta do is click trade, and you set your profit, stop loss, all that deviation. This is the regular account. And here is the balance right here at the top left. Top left, y'all see it, $5 million. All right, so it's a lot of money. You click history, your balance is updated. You got everything ready to start trading, guys. So if you're looking to start trading, you always gonna need a demo account. So hopefully this video helped you out. Super simple steps to creating a demo account with MetaTrader 4, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comment section if you need anything else, any questions or anything. I got it answered for you. I'll see you guys next video. We out.